Hi, welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. I'm Jay Chong. Today I'm going to share with you how to actually compress the images in your PC, especially tools that you want to upload in a lightweight. There are some websites that require you to upload the pictures in a smaller resolution or smaller file size. Nowadays, our phones is in very high megapixel, and I believe the picture that you took can be easily 5 megapixel up to 12 or even 20 megapixel. And sometimes you don't need such a big file size to be uploaded. So what we can do is we can compress the image in a way that you don't lose the quality, but you reduce the file size a lot. So how to do it? Today I'm going to share with you how to use a freeware, a simple software called Caesium, to compress. The steps is very simple, and it's actually, and most importantly, is free. So let's take a look. Assuming you have a few pictures here, for example, these are the pictures that you want to compress. And if you look at the file size here, you shall see some of the file size is very big, probably 14 MB, and the lowest is 1 MB. Okay. So once you download the software called Caesium, the link it will be available on the description of this video. Just double click, open this software. I know it looks a little bit old school, but trust me, I've been using this for more than, I believe, 5 years and more. So far, I'm really happy. Okay, the first thing you need to do is drag and drop all your pictures into the software here. Okay, once you've done it, there are few options can be done. For me, first, I will take a quick look at the preview sites here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the quality of my output. Usually I will choose just 50. Trust me, when you're trying to upload the pictures to the website or some of the web or tools page that's going to support mostly in mobile view, you don't need such a huge resolution. Your phone is just less than 2000. Okay, so what you're going to do is, for me, I will apply the quality to same all, then I'm going to set the quality. Then you shall see all the files here, the quality have been set to 50. Then the next thing you can do is you're going to resize the resolution. So rather than supporting such huge resolution, I'm going to click resize here. And I'm going to do one thing is I'm going to use percentage. I don't want to go for absolute. Absolute means you're going to fix the file size into a specific resolution. So I actually prefer percentage because I just want to reduce, let's say, half of the resolution. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the aspect ratio so that I no need to adjust width and height at the same time, and just adjust either one. I'm click here. Then I'm going to adjust into 50%. For example, I'm going to apply to all of the pictures here, regardless what is their original resolution. I just click same for all. Then I just click apply. Then it will auto calculate the new resolution for you. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is the output folder here, where you want the compressed image to be exported to. So for me, I'm going to put under the same structure, which means I'm going to put it under the same folder as per the original file, which is here. Then the next thing is going to do is I'm going to put same folder as input. I just tick these two. Then I'm going to put the suffix as compress, or you want to put optimize. When it's all done, all you need to do is just click this compress. It will take a few seconds up to a few minutes, depends on how many images you're going to process and so on. If you look at this part here, look at the ratio. You are actually optimizing from 7 MB to just 295 KB, which is the reduction of 96%. Look at the summary of this. We have 22 files and it takes about 12 seconds. Yeah, it's quite fast. And I saved 147 MB. That's it. It's so simple as this. So look at this. We're going to compare the output image because you are worried that after we optimize the image quality might be dropped with some blur and so on, right? So what we're going to do is let's press name. I'm going to open two image files side by side, then you will look at it. On your left hand side here is the, this is the optimized one. Sorry, let me open again the original file. This is the original file and this is the optimized one. Okay, I give you 5 to 10 seconds. Take a quick look. Can you spot any difference from your raw eye? On the left side is the original file and the right side is the optimized file. Okay, if you want to zoom in, let's do it this way. Let us zoom in. Okay, let's zoom into this handsome guy here, and then let's zoom into this handsome guy also. Okay, once you zoom in until this resolution, then yes, you might see some blurless here. But trust me, when you upload into the website, usually people will look at this rather than here. If you're so worried about the blurless, remember just now the software, rather than you choose to the quality of 50, you can choose to the quality of 80. The compression should be the same. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, going to delete all the optimized one. Let's do it one more time. This round, we try the quality to 80. Let's see what will happen. Drag and drop as usual. This round I go for 80, same for all, set quality. Next thing, I'm going to resize them with a percentage of 50, but before that I want to keep the aspect ratio, so I don't need to adjust width and height. Apply to all, and then I'm going to keep the structure, save folder as input. I'm going to say optimize. Then I just compress. This round, if you look at the output size, it will be slightly bigger, but still, it's a very good file size for you to upload to anywhere. Especially a lot of websites nowadays, they will restrict you from uploading more than 2 MB, 1 MB. This is one of the best way. Okay, it takes about less than 12 seconds, and we save space up to 143 MB. This is cool. Most important right now is we're going to look at the quality. Okay, let's compare again this round. Let's choose another picture. Let's say I'm going to choose this. This. Okay. I'm going to put it on the left side. I'm going to open the optimized one here. I'm going to put it on the right side. Okay. If just looking at this, can you spot any difference? Hard to tell, right? Let's zoom in this round. Do you realize the quality when you set to 80 is so much harder to tell any difference? So the quality, I will say, almost the same. Of course, when it comes to printing, you can tell, especially if you print in a larger size or stick to the original resolution. However, most of the time when you upload a picture or want to share a picture and so on, you just want people to view it in your mobile phone. This is desktop resolution. If in mobile phone, usually you will look and just like this. So from raw eye, from a smaller device, it's hardly to tell. So this is the freeware that I'm going to Let me wrap up and share with you again. To optimize or to compress the pictures in terms of JPEG file in your PC, you can use the freeware called Caesium. It's free to download. You can download the installer file to install, or my preference is I'm going to download a portable one, whereby I can actually move around. I don't need to install, I don't need to worry about uninstallation and so on. And the best thing is free and it's optimized a lot. And last but not least, do you realize again, the compression speed is awesome. Just now we took less than 12 seconds to optimize 22 files, which means we process about 2 files per second. I hope this little sharing can help you, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please put a like and stay home, stay safe. Hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.